how many shoppers have put it in their shopping cart.
Don't panic, just finish the order.
Well, one day I was shopping and I was looking at an item and that flew in. I was like, holy mackerel, I need to buy it right now. And I did. It's so cool that our website does that now.
I love that too. Smart.
So if an item is particularly popular, it will let you know it's going quickly.
Super smart.
How about that?
I know.
I mean, that QVC.com, that's where y'all should spend some time over there.
Up to the second.
Up to the second. All right, right now though, 300 of these are already gone. And one thing that I want to show you, if I don't trip over myself, I'm gonna bring this in real close. Can you see the beadwork? This isn't a print. These are sewn beads. I wish you all could feel this table runner because you know what? I mean, if you've ever been, I have seen these pageant gowns that gals wear that are all totally beaded and sequined, and they're heavy, right? This is the same idea. These are all beads sewn into this table runner. It's absolutely gorgeous. So you're going to choose either the poinsettia or you'll choose pumpkin patch. And look at pumpkin patch. It's got a gold backing, and then you've got the beaded pumpkins. And again, we'll come in nice and close so you can see the beadwork. Really, really beautiful. Look at that. It's our only order of the year. Look at that. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Now, if you want pumpkin patch, I have 2,700. Poinsettia, only 1,600. They're brand new, only order of the year. And they are 36 inches long, 3 feet long. Let's invite in Tara Tesher. I'm just going to take a little load off right here and sit right down. Yes, I am. Tara, darling.
Yes.
These are beautiful. I've never seen these before. You've been holding out on me.
They're brand new, David, and I have to tell you, first of all, I love how close, the closer we can get, the better, because you have these beautiful iridescent beads that actually, as you start to see, not only do they take our iconic patterns and truly bring them to life, but they're actually made in that heirloom quality. There's, in some of these, in this one as an example, there's 7 to 8 different colored beads, and in the poinsettia, there's 5. So these are all individually hand sewn. So that's why we can't do a lot of these. These are truly a specialty piece that has something that I have always wanted to do. My grandmother had a beaded runner that was then given to my mother. And so I thought it would be such a great way to layer down the center of your table. Maybe you want to put 2 down the table if you have a longer table. But because they have that great satin backing that you're showing, it's exactly what you're talking about, the quality that you see there, and those iridescent beads that bring everything to life. So you're going to spot clean this. You're truly going to use this as an anchor down your table, or I could see it on a sideboard or a sofa couch where you're layering in some of your flameless candles. It truly is designed to add the spirit of the holidays into any room that you're looking at.
Now, I have 900 left in poinsettia, 2,400 left in pumpkin patch, but Tara, you're so smart. You've got some pumpkins going this way and other pumpkins going that way. So if this goes right down the middle of a square or rectangular table, everyone gets to see a pumpkin straight on. They're not looking at it upside down, right?
I love that you call out that detail because I truly drive our design team absolutely crazy with those details. Whether it's our characters and I don't want their heads upside down, if you want to put it this way, truly it is about there being something for everybody to look at. So great point. Thank you for calling that out. Look how gorgeous. It protects your table. Of course, you don't have to worry about putting your 500-degree dishes on here because it's individually threaded and beaded. When you have 7 to 8 different colors, it truly brings it to life, almost like a photograph. And you can feel the beauty and the charm with that satin backing, all indicators of great quality. Heirloom quality is this piece. And as I mentioned, because they all are individually hand done, we can't do a lot of these.
Hey, Tara, we're now last call on poinsettia.
Oh, it's
last
so beautiful.
call on poinsettia. Let me tell you, I have 200 left. These are 36 inches long, and the width is 13 inches. So
yes,
it's a little over, just over a foot wide. So 13 inches wide and 36 inches or 3 feet long. Poinsettia just sold out. Okay. I'm not
can we talk about the scalloping too, David? While you're putting him over there, let's talk about the scalloping too, because it would have been much easier for our artisans, of course, if it was just a rectangle or it was just an oval. But that's the part of the charm of the beading is that because you can define them with multiple colors, you can create the interest instead of just doing an oval or a rectangle. So not only are they gorgeous in the design that you see there, but it's also cut out into that framework where you see that scalloping. Thank you. That is so beautiful, you guys. Look at all the different colored beads coming together to really, truly bring that pattern to life. That's what you can get with, of course, these beaded pieces.
Now, we began the show with 4,800 of these runners. If you want pumpkin patch, I have 1,900 remaining, and this is our only order of the year. You heard Tara say that all these are sewn, I believe you said by hand, didn't you?
Yes, they're all handmade.
Oh, my word.
Absolutely.
I would go cross-eyed. I would go cross-eyed trying to do this. True artisans make these.
That's
and
right.
you know what? That's why everybody does what they're best at. I present products on television, and other people bead these runners. Yeah.
I always say, stay in your lane, stay with your superpower.
Yes, and that's my superpower. Beating these would not be. So thank goodness there are people